guys, how are you doing? How is everyone? So I'm having a problem with my hoe. Show them my hoe. I have a problem with my hoe. It disturbs when I'm digging. It shakes. So I bought a new stick. A new stick. Yes, it is a stick. In Uganda you call it omuyini. So for a new hoe. So I'm going to do. I think you know. I always used to see my uncles in my village doing this. So today it's my turn. If you're not having a man at home, so you man yourself. We always had fun in our village lives. Just that you people think when you're in the village you're suffering, and actually that is not right. You're learning some new things, because I'm sure what I'm doing, we might find a percentage of people not doing it right now. But yeah, so do not hesitate taking your child in the village thinking she or he is going to suffer. Take them. They learn how to dig and do something, planting some things. They can even make a garden for you. Your parent may know, you may not have time, but when you share some knowledge about gardening, some new skills in the village, it might be helpful at a certain time. So if right now my hoe, it seems this is too big, it cannot pass through, so we need to reduce on the volume of this stick. But let's first get doing it. You see, right now we have to cut something here so that it enters very well. You see how strong it is. About the other hoe, it is the same thing that I had to do. Let me show you. This is what I'm talking about. This shaking. I tried putting in different things. I using this iron what? But now I can't do it anymore. Reason being, this is very old. Whenever I put it still, it breaks. So the only thing to do is getting a new one. And it is what I'm doing right now. So someone should come and help me. You say now. Come and help me. So this stick is so big. So what I have to do is to cut here where it is failing to pass till this end. So I have to cut here for a small volume, and then here, because it is the area that is failing to pass. So I have, let us see what next. Kubaito okuwanga enkumbi. Yeah, now this is done. The next of the insects have entered me. So you know that village life. So I'm done cutting it. You see, come and see. So I had to cut this whole thing so that this passes through it. So this small space remaining here, I have to get a stick like this, then insert it so that this hole becomes so firm that even if you dig a hole of how many inches, it will still be firm. So yeah, we've come one end of this hole. So the only thing we want is to trim this stick that we are going to. That knife here cutting myself. This is done. Like that. So we are going to insert them here. So when we insert them here, we shall hit them so that they enter into a hole. Are you seeing this? This is entering. I see. So you have to hit the hole until it's firm. You see? I don't know that you can see that. You see? My dear, in the village, there is no being a woman or a man who can do whatever a man can do in a village. Thank you. So, our next video, I'm going to plant a banana plantation. So please subscribe. Subscribe. Sorry. I don't want that darkening myself. So we are going to plant our banana plantation. Yeah, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, like for more videos. That when you like and subscribe, the videos will continue coming to you for you page. Thank you.